Apple might be making a bold move with the iPhone 17, and not everyone is happy about it. Leaks suggest that the next iPhone could feature a design that looks surprisingly similar to Google's Pixel series. This has sparked a heated debate among tech fans. Some see it as a refreshing change, while others feel Apple might be losing its signature style. For years, Apple has stuck to a familiar design with only minor adjustments. But if these leaks are accurate, the iPhone 17 lineup could break that tradition. The biggest change appears to be in the camera module. Instead of the usual layout, leaked renders suggest that Apple might introduce a new rear camera design that closely resembles the Pixel 9. 3D printed models based on these leaks give us an idea of what this might look like. The iPhone 17 Air is rumored to feature a slim camera island with a single lens, creating a clean and minimal look. Meanwhile, the iPhone 17 Pro Max could come with a more prominent camera bump, housing its triple lens system. One key difference stands out: the flash placement. Unlike previous models where the flash sits close to the lenses, the new design moves it to the far end of the camera island. While this layout bears a resemblance to Google's approach, Apple will likely add its own signature elements to maintain brand identity. Reactions to this possible redesign are mixed. Some users appreciate the fresh approach, believing Apple should move away from the look it has used for years. Others argue that making iPhones resemble competing brands is a mistake. Apple has always prided itself on its distinct aesthetic. And if these leaks turn out to be true, some worry that the iPhone 17 might lose its recognizable identity. There's also uncertainty over whether these leaks are accurate. Some well-known sources insist that this is the final design, but Bloomberg's Mark Gurman has contradicted these claims, stating that the reports are based on an incorrect sketch found at Apple. However, another reliable insider claims to have seen the iPhone 17 Air in development and stands by these leaks. If that's true, Apple might be gearing up for one of its most significant design overhauls in years. Beyond the design, other rumored upgrades could make the iPhone 17 even more exciting. One major improvement could be a smarter Siri. Apple has been working on a major AI-powered upgrade to its voice assistant, but delays have prevented its release. If it finally arrives with the iPhone 17, Siri could become much more responsive and capable, enhancing the overall user experience. Another highly anticipated update could be a higher refresh rate for the standard iPhone 17 model. Currently, Apple limits base iPhones to a 60 Hz refresh rate while reserving the smoother 120 Hz display for the Pro versions. If Apple finally brings a higher refresh rate to the standard model, it would make scrolling, gaming, and daily interactions feel much smoother. However, there's no official confirmation yet. While these upgrades are exciting, the new design remains the most talked about change. Some users may welcome it, while others could see it as a step in the wrong direction. If the leaks are accurate, the iPhone 17 will be one of the most visually distinct models Apple has released in a long time. What do you think? Should Apple experiment with a fresh look, or should it stick to its classic design? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest tech news.